Create a romantic and secure side-swept hairstyle with the help of a Grip-Tuth Comb. Sweep all of your hair over one shoulder. Then gather hair from above the ears and pinch together to the side. Insert the Grip-Tuth Comb with the teeth facing upwards into the bottom of the section and push up to secure. Because Grip-Tuth combs have touching teeth which lock hair into place, this will create a secure hairstyle all day long. Experiment with how thick the section is, or use a wider Grip-Tuth comb to evenly distribute the hair across the comb teeth. Pull out face framing layers if desired, and you are ready to go.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel for real-time, step-by-step instructional hair tutorials using this product and many more. Available and proudly made in the USA by Good Hairdays, a woman-owned, family-operated hair accessories manufacturer since 1996.